Okay, this is the one. So this is the Figma twari turi gukoreraho, and you can see twari twakoze kuri akano gaheda dukora n'iyo hero section. Twari twavuze ati tuzakomeza kuri home login, so ariko nifuzaga ariko naba guidance y'ukuntu tuno twadukora. Muraza kujya mukigeza kwanimyutinga tuganiremo gake. So the project yacu ni iyi. This is the one. Let's go live. Ntabwo screen yanjye mwese muri kwibona, kuko njye ndi kubona screen yanjye. Mwese ntabwo muri kubona screen yanjye? Guys, hari umuntu uri kubona screen yanjye? Okay, urakoze. Hano kuri Figma nari ndi kwereka ibyo twari tumaze gukora, and this is the page twari twakoze ino blessing school. This is the header and this is the hero section. So I think yuko twakomereza kuri kano ngaka tukagakoraho, ni ukubahiriza insight y'ukuntu mwadukoramo, then mukaba mwatangira, ariko it's better yuko mwatangira now. So tudatinze nifuzaga yuko twahita tuzana muri VS Code. This is the page. Nk'uko mwari mwabibonye twakoze file ebyiri, hari iya index.html aho twabonye iraba nka entry file izajya birimo everything we need kugira ngo dutangire accessing the website. So twari twakoze hero section, twari dufite amafoto, dufite n'ama styles. I hope yuko mwibuka ukuntu tujya dukoresha ama styles. Ahangaha ni external styling. Hari mwabonye uburyo ki dushobora gushyira background color, uburyo ushobora kudisplayinga horizontally, ushyira item muri center. Ibi ngibi byose twari twabiciyemo. So I think yuko we are now ready to continue unless there is someone who have a question. If no one, we can proceed. Okay, perfect. Why? My screen is already on. Sinzi impamvu utari kubona screen yanjye. Diane, nawe nta screen yanjye uri kubona? Maybe I need to share the screen again, the entire screen. Guys, can you see my screen? Okay. How about this one? Muri kubasha kureba kuri VS Code yanjye? No kuri VS Code yanjye mushobora kuba muri kwibona, ubwo niba mutari kubona muraza kumbwira. So nk'uko twari twabonye ko dushyira ibintu mu ma sections. Yari section y'ama header, then tugira section ya hero, then tugiye kugira iyindi section. Iyi section tugiye kuyita courses section, like this one. Turayita section, section like this one, muri section tugiye kwihereza id. iyi id turayita courses. Ni ukuvuga izina rigomba guhura n'iri ngiri twadefininze kuri header, kugira ngo umuntu najya akanda kuri ya buto ya header courses ajya aba navigated kuri iyi id iyi section. So I think nibyo. Wenda ikindi tugiye kureba ni structure y'ukuntu turi bubikoremo. Okay. Section yacu ifite ibyiciro bigiye bitandukanye. Ifite title, ikagira description, then ifite n'aya cards uko ari atatu. So you have put them in mind. So you can go one by one. This is for hero section, for courses. So ikintu cya mbere dufite, can say we have a div irimo dufitemo h1 element ya title, tuyayise courses. These are courses like this one. Dufite munsi dufite paragraph. Iyi paragraph irimo zino content. Ndaza n'ubundi nk'ibisanzwe nzi pastingemo hano. So I think this is what we have just for now. So I think nk'uko muri kubibona hano hasi tugize course, dufite get access to exclusive content. So let's style this one kugira ngo at least tube dufite kano gace kano hejuru. So ikintu cya mbere, hano ndadefining a class, then nyite courses like this one. So ndahera kuri iyi ngiyi, then ndaza hano mu styles nk'ibisanzwe, ndaza nshyiremo class ya courses. Ikintu cya mbere ndashyira ni background color, nk'uko mubimenyereye background color iba ari ingenzi. So background color yayo ni iyi. Ndaza nyishyiremo hano nk'ibisanzwe. So the background color, I think yuko hano yamaje kujyaho. Ikibazo kiri kuzamo ni kimwe, ntago iri gufata hejuru. Aya section sinzi, ndabona agiye arimo akantu ko gutandukana, which is not good. So which means tugomba kuyastaringa akajya afata hano hejuru neza. I think uburyo bworoshye bwo kubikora ni uko dushobora gukuraho margin. Let's see nimba muri iyi section ibanza, iyi section ya hero, nimba nta hantu harimo margin bottom. Okay, network ari kumwe kiri kwanga, ariko ndagerageza kugenda gake kugira ngo tujyanirane. So header ifite margin bottom imeze gutya. Let's see, heading main irayifite. Ibi ni ibyo kuri header gusa. Don't think yuko aribyo byatuma iyi margin bottom idutera ikibazo. So ikintu wenda ahangaha nahita nkora, ndashaka margin top tuyigabanye, ishyiro nka -12 pixels. Irabona ko itangiye kugabanuka. So icyo nakora, najya -24. Imere nka gutya at least. So this is the first thing. Ikindi nk'ubundi nk'uko twakoze kuri hero, width igomba kuba nayo imeze nka gutya, nta kindi kintu duhinduyeho. Mwabonye yuko hano kuri hero iyi section zose zifite ziriya same styling. So dushobora gukora styling ya section yose ikaba ifite buriya buryo, instead yo kuba twayikora buri hantu, yo iba ifite buriya buryo. So which means ahangaha at the top nshobora kuza nkahita defining a section nka gutya. Muri iyi section icyo nakora naza hano, zino styles zino turi kuza tugafata nkaba nazikoresha hariya zikajya zihora zigaruka. So let's grab this one then nzipestingemo hano, instead yo kuba nagenda nzishyira buri hantu. Urabona ko mo hano zihita zinyereka yuko isifata width ifata na height tumaje kuyiha kuri iyi section. Umuntu agira ikibazo araza kumbwira, ndagerageza kujya ngendana namwe uko nabonye mic zanyu byagoranye. So I think nibyo ikintu cya mbere ngiye gukora, ndashaka ikintu cya mbere ni uko items zanjye zigomba kuba displayed grid like this one, display as a block, ngo ati kimwe kirajya kijya munsi y'ikindi. Ikindi items zanjye zigomba kuba ziri center, items zigomba kuba ziri center, line items zigomba kuba ziri center, and justified content zigomba nazo kuba justify content ntabwo zigomba kujya muri center. Justify content zigomba kuba ziri muri center I think. Wait, let me think about that. Tugomba kuzishyira muri center kubera ko biri horizontally, which means hano turashyiramo center. Okay, I can see someone. So twari tukiri hano turi gukora kano kantu. So that's it for what you have hano ni center. Okay, kuri section yo hejuru I think ni ibyo. Noneho reka tujye kuri iyi ngiyi, tiyeze class ni div y'ama text. Ikintu cya mbere hano twayita, turifuza yuko twaza gushyira bino bintu, turaza kubishyira hano muri center, kimwe kibe displayed hasi n'ikindi. So navuga ko hano iyi class twayita courses content. So I think ntabwo twagusize cyane, n'ubundi ibi bintu turi gukora ni bya bindi dusa nkaho twanyuzemo ejo. Nari nifuje ko mutari kuboneka neza ko twakora kuri ama pages mwari mwabasigned ejo, so which means ntabwo ibyinshi murabona ari bishyashya, ni bya bindi biragenda bigaruka. So I think this is the class dukoze igiye kuba guiding this one. So that is the first thing, and I can put that here. Ikintu cya mbere, content zanjye zigomba kuba displayed block, zigomba kuba ari block, n'ubundi kimwe kigomba kuba kiri munsi y'ikindi. Ikindi items, align items zigomba kuba ziri center. Then turashaka yuko noneho izi text ziza nazo hano, which means turavuga justify content zigomba kujya center. Then asigaye ama text align. nayo igomba kuba ziri center. I think yaba ari ibyo. Reka turebe nanone kuri Figma. Kuri Figma iyi ngiyi ifite text isa nk'icyatsi. That's the first thing. Ariko urabona hano naho hakeneyemo some padding. Ni ukuvuga ati muri iyi section I think yuko kuri ibi ngibi ntabwo tubikeneye kubera ko byagarutse hano. Ntabwo twagakwiye kubigaruramo inshuro ebyiri. So I think yuko ahubwo icyo twakora hano twashyiramo padding. Twashyiramo padding, ni ukuvuga padding mu mpande cyangwa hejuru turaza kugira 20 pixels. 20 pixels ndakeka zaba ari izo. Okay, ikibazo ni network. Kandi ntabwo ndi kwihuta cyane ugereranije kubera ko ibi ngibi twabinyuzemo. Sinzi nimba baza kubasha kubamutinga ayo mic. Tukaza kuba twabiganiraho. Icyo ndi gukora n'ubundi ni ya class twakoreshaga ejo, nkakoresha n'ama styles. Yego. Ni bya bindi n'ubundi by'ejo nsa nkaho ndi kugarukamo. Ni uko wenda ndi kugerageza kwihutira na time yatujyanye kandi for me ndakeka saa 2 ndaza kuba ngiye. Nifuzaga wenda ko twagira starting point. Okay, sawa. So hano nari ngiye gukora noneho styling ya kano ka title. Iyi ngiyi iraza nayo kuba ifite class ya courses description. Ni amakarase n'ubundi ndi kujya ngenda nkoresha ku bantu nimba ejo twari turi kumwe wabonye ko n'amakarase tuyakoresha. Nirinze kujya nshyiramo za internal styling ariko ejo tutazikoresheje cyane. So twagiye kuri text. Ikintu cya mbere ndajya ngerageza kugendera kuri schema ifite hano Figma. The text ifite rino bara, so which means ibara rigomba guhinduka nicyo kibanze tukareka kugira color y'umukara. So which means color ubundi ni style isanzwe, ndashyira hashtag kubera ko ngiye gukoresha RGB code. This is the color and you can see color is ihinduka. Then aka size ni gatoya, turavuga the font size yayo at least igomba kuba ifite 3 rem. Let's see 3 rem ingana gute. 3 rem kuri njyewe ni gatoya. I need 5 at least 5 rem. So ariko ibisiga space hasi which is not good. Let's see this one and this one. Okay, ndakeka cyaba ari kinini. Zigize kane at least, kane nta kintu gatwaye. By default twaba tukarekeye gutya. Then hakurikiraho course description. Course description ikintu cya mbere nabonyeho ni uko color yayo nkanga n'umweru. Iki nicyo cya mbere nabonye. The color it's white, ni umweru. Font size urabona ko ni ya style n'ubundi agenda yigarukaho. ahangaha dushobora kuvuga ni turem. Yego, noneho margin top ishobora kwiyongera ikazamukaho gatoya, avuga ati margin top turakuramo wenda 12 pixels. 12 pixels ntabwo ziri kugaragara, aho 24 pixels zo ziragaragara. I think the output dufite ni iyi, each suppose yuko igomba kuba isa n'iyi. I think yuko nimba nibeshye bijya gusa, ko turagenda dukomeza kugenda twongera utuntu bize kurushaho gusa neza. So I think iyi yari section ya indi yo hejuru. Reka ngishyiraho comment kugira ngo mujye mubasha kubibona. This is for the content, and ahangaha tugiye gukora courses cards. Courses cards, yeah. Izi twabonye ko zigomba kuba displayed grid, right? I don't think ahangaha turagira div like this. This is a div. Muri iyi div turaba dufitemo div eshatu. So this iraba kuri card ya mbere, turaza kugira div yayo. Turaza kugira div ya card ya mbere. So twongere kuza kugira div ya kabiri n'iya gatatu. So which means turaza kuza kuba dufite div zimeze gutya. Nimba muri kubireba hano, fashe div nini, nuko ati zino zose zigomba kuba ziri ahantu muri div kugira ngo nze kubasha kuzicontrol. Nzishyize muri akadiv ka akadiv ka mbere ngashyize muri card ya mbere, akadiv ka kabiri, card ya kabiri, gutyo gutyo. So tugiye guhera ku kadiv ka mbere. Akadiv ka mbere tugiye gustylinga kano, niko kantu tugiye kuyibandaho. So muri aka kadiv ikintu cya mbere uri kubonamo gafite nako ibyiciro bitatu. Icyiciro cya mbere ari card image, icyo ni icya mbere. Dufite card title, icyo ni icya kabiri. Tukagira na card description. Ibi bintu nureba neza urasanga hasi dufite iyindi section ya what to expect. Ni turaza gusozanya na card button. Sinzi nimba muri kubasha kubibona neza, kanongere gutya wenda murarushaho kubibona. Okay, so nigiye muri development n'ubundi ni nk'ubu buryo ubikoramo, ugenda utugabanyamo mu duce kugira ngo bize kukorohera. So twagiye, ikintu cya mbere ni ya image. Ndaza hano nandike image nk'ibisanzwe, mpitemo source. So ndashaka hano nshake ifoto twayikuye kuri internet, mwarayibonye. Twashatse umwarimu uri kwigisha imibare. teaching mathematics. So ndahita nzana kuri section y'amafoto. Ifoto ni iyi ngiyi, ndayisevinga, ndayizana handi kuri desktop nk'ibisanzwe. Dufite iyi blessing school, dufite hano turahita tuvuga ati course 1 gutya. Urabona ko isi yari course 1.jpg, iyo nje hano kuri source nkandika images, mpita mbona ko ari course 1.jpg yaje, nkahita mvuga ati this is course 1. So which means ninzanga ndahita mbona ko kadi yacu twayitangiye. So urabona ko ifoto twamaze kuyibona, ariko kadi ntabwo birasa. Ako kari akambere. Okay. Turahita tuza kuri iyi figma yacu n'ubundi turahita tugera ino section ikurikiye. Muri iyi section dufitemo iyi title and description, ibi turabishyira mu kadivu kayo. So which means ino div ndayifungurira munsi ya description. So which means hano ndahita nza muri h1 element nyite mathematics, and the description will be this one. Ndaza kwiri paragraph. I think kadi yacu dore imaze kumera gutya, isa nabi cyane. So twakomeje ajya kuri div ya what to expect. What to expect harimo nayo ibyiciro bibiri, hari iyi title, tujya h1, ifite iyi ngiyi iraba ari h2, ndakeka h3. What to expect, like this one. Then hano mpita nzanamo akadiv karaza kudisplayinga the first thing. Turaza kugira geometry, body mass. Urabona ko tugiye tumeze nk'aho ari utubuto, right? Tumeze nk'aho ari utubutton ariko tudafite ikintu turi bukore. So turaza kugira first thing, turaza kugira badge 1. Badge 1 kuzigenda ukagera kuri badge 4, badge 2, badge 3 and badge 4. So twagiye ku kabadge ka mbere, which means ni kano tugiye kuba twakora. Hari uburyo bwinshi ushobora kuba wagakoramo. Ahangaha urabona ko ushobora kugira ugafata ukoresheje buto byakunda, ushaka gukoresha text ukaza gushyiramo amaboda. So uburyo bworoshye ni ugukoresha buto yo ihita yoroshya ubuzima. Iyo ukoresheje button mbere yo kaza ugashyiramo geometry nka gutya, kabiri aza n'ubundi dushyiramo button, dushyiramo body mass. So iya gatatu iraza ari buto n'ubundi ya measurements nk'iyi. So lastly dufite statistics, the button ya statistics. So I think so this is the one. Bisa nabi cyane. So lastly dufite buto yitwa view details. Twagiye I think ni ibi
ndakubwira ibyo kuri kanari byonyine bigende diregite noneho bino bindi bize hano.
So ndabona tugiye kustylinga ku buryo ino kadi yacu umuntu ayirebye gutya yabona atari kadi.
Ibindi ntabwo biza.
So which means tugomba kugira kadi at least imeze
nk'iyi iyo nakubategeye kabiri abamotari
uko byagenda kose. So which means turagaruka ahangaha turahita tuza kuri main card
umwe yiyemeje kubitwara wenyine yakabita
ariyo iyi ngiyi. So this is for the card 1 and tugomba ko ya class yitwa card course card. So I think yuko kaba ari aka
hari igihe usanga ibiro 50 igitoki kitabipima bakagushyiraho ikindi cya kabiri.
Tugiye gukora styling. Ikintu cya mbere uraza dukore new style kuri course card like this one. So this is the first one. Card ifite background y'umweru. Ifite background y'umweru nicyo kibanze. So which means turandika background color iraza kuba ari umweru. So this is the background color and ikindi tugomba kujya some padding. Tugomba gushyiramo space inside around 12 pixels. 12 pixels ni nyinshi kuri njyewe. So I think yuko tugize 6 yaba ari sawa. Six ndumva ari sawa. Ikindi tugiye kuroundinga zino corners zigomba kuba rounded. Urabona ko yatangiye gutuma responsiveness itazamo ariko the reason turagenda tuyikosora gake gake. So turahita tuvuga ati border radius kugira ngo roundinge dukoresha iyi ngiyi bita border radius. Ukaba waspecify ukavuga ati border radius ugomba kuba rounded at least 20 pixels. Urabona ko kahise kaba rounded. So ikindi twavuga yuko the maximum width ibaye 200 pixels yakabaye reka tuyigire 400 kuri small screen. 400 ni kinini. I can say we can put there 300 at least. So this is our card. Ntago gasa neza ariko turagenda tugakora gake gake ku buryo karaza gusa neza. Urabona nubwo text zirakwirwamo ibintu byose ntago birajyamo, so which is not good for now ariko ibintu byose bigiye kugenda bikemuka. The size I think yakomeje kuba nini. Can put 250 is good. Twakoresha iyo ngiyo ariko na 300 yaza gukora. Turaza kuza kureba ikiraza kuba cyoroshye. I think for the card ntabanyirekeye aha ahubwo tukagenda kuri content zirimo mo imbere muri card. Nk'urugero urabona nk'iyi foto igomba kuba iri muri card neza, which means width na height y'iyi foto igomba kuba ari ntoya, and I can say for the height, maximum height like this one, nayo igomba kuba at least itarengeje 600. Magana atandatu I think nayo ni nyinshi ngereranyije, yagakwiye kuba nka 400. 400 at least, so which means tugomba kukagira gato ku buryo ibintu byose bigomba kuba bikwiriyemo, kagomba kuza kangana nka gutya, niko kagomba kuza kangana. Ushobora no kuba kakaba gatoya kurushaho, ariko I think yuko agakadi kangannye gutya nta kintu byakangiza. Icya mbere ni uko turabona ko ari kugaragaramo hano neza nk'uko tubitegereje. So twakomeje, kadi yose tumaje kuyiha styling, tugiye kuri image nayo turayiha class yayo. Let's say this is a card image -image. Turayifatse nk'ibisanzwe, tugiye kuyistylinga ya card image. Ikintu cya mbere, width iyi image igomba kuba ifite at least 80% ya space iri available. 80 ndabona ari gatoya, yagakwiye, reka tuyihereze 100%. Turaza gushyiramo some space 100%, ndabona nta kibazo. And ariko turaza gushyiramo border radius, but nayo igomba kuba rakire. So I think for border radius twashyiraho at least nayo iba ifite nka 6 pixels. I think kaba gasa neza kuri side yanjye. The height yagakwiye kuba ifite height ntoya rwose. Height y'iriya foto ni iracyari nini tugereranyije n'uko twe twifuza kuza ko imeze. So it's better yuko twayihereza nka 100% pixels. 100 ni nyinshi, 50 ntago ziri kwa applied, nayo nibagiwe semicolon. So 100, think kabaye 100 bitewe n'ibintu twifuza gushyiramo. Reka tuyigire nka 70, 80. It's better yuko kaba kagaragara. I don't know why it is not visible for now. Ariko let's put 100. Reka gukomeza guteza 150. Yabimaze space yose, ariko hano yajyamo. I think yuko yajyamo. So basically image tuyivuyeho, so tuje hano kuri iyi text. Text turaje tuyihereze class. Turavuga ati this is a card dash header. Urabona ko ukuntu ndimo kugenda neminga zino class name ziri kujyana ahanini n'icyo igiye kuba iri gukora. So ndaje kuri card, ndabanzaho dot nk'ibisanzwe, then card header. So ikintu cya mbere ni font size. Iriya font size iracyari nini. The font size I think bibaye byiza yaba ifite 1.5 rem. 1.5 rem. Yego, kagakwiye kuba gafite nk'iriya. The color ni umukara. I think color twayerekera hariya, ahubwo tuvuge card description. For card description naho tugomba kugabanya iriya size yayo ni nini, so ndashaka kuvuga ko this is card description. So muri yangana ndagerageza kwihuta, we are running out of the time. Yeah, cyane. So hano turaza kuvuga ati font size, we can say 0.5 rem. So I think this is the one. It's better yuko twashyira one nini cyane, ibaye ingana gutyo byari sawa. Then the margin top yagakwiye kuba iri kugabanuka akantu, iri kugenda igata umwanya atari ngombwa. 4 pixels zagakwiye kuba zivaho, nazo ziracyari nkeya, I can say 12. Yeah, ibaye gutya ntacyo byaba bitwaye. Think yuko space isigaye ibindi byaza kuza kujyaho, our card itangiye kuba yagaragara neza. I think tugenda tugerageza kugenda tuyimprovinga. So the next thing, turaza kugira what to expect. So I think here we can put the class name, can say card benefits, benefit title. I think I can say benefit title like this one. Ako ndi kujya ngerageza gushyiraho class isa nk'isobanuye ikintu. So the title igomba kuba ifite ino color. Where is it? This is the one. So color yayo ni iyi. Style yo gushyiraho color dukoresha color n'ubundi ni icyongereza, then hashtag tugashyiraho value ya color, which means what you expect. This is the one. So you can say there is a space here between these two, which means here you can say size here ibanza igabanuke, size here iracyari nini. The font size yagakwiye kuba ifite 1 rem like this one. So then the margin top ho turaza gusigamo space. So which means hano tugomba gushyiraho margin bottom around 12 pixels. 12 pixels ntabwo ziri kugaragara. 24 pixels. Okay. For 24 pixels ndakeka zaba zihagije for now. So what next ni ukuza ku designinga tuno tuntu twari twakoze, tuno tu badge. So which I think ni utungutu. That seems so different. So yeah, so murakoze. Margin na padding ni ibintu bibiri bitandukanye. Icyo bihuriye ni uko byose bishobora gushyiramo space, itanga empty space, ariko margin itanga space kuri inyuma ya content. Ni ukuvuga ati nimba nshyizeho ngo margin top kuri iyi what to expect, ni ukuvuga ati njye ndifuza yuko hejuru ya what to expect statement hagomba kuba ariyo space. Ariko nimba ndi kuri ino card, the main card, this is the one, navuga ati padding ize kuba ari 60 pixels. Wabibona nka hano, ni ukuvuga ati njye ndifuza ko imbere muri iyi content, mbere y'uko izi element mfitemo hano ziza kuza kunyegera, shyiramo agaspace gatoya. Tuvuge urugero, iyi padding nyikomentinze, urabona ko ibintu byose bitangira bifashe kuri ya kadi, ariko njye ndifuza yuko biza gusigamo agaspace gatoya, ariko ka kano wagiye ubona hano. Ni ukuvuga ati hano nkoresha iyo bita padding. Padding ni gushyiramo space muri iyo container mo imbere. So nyongereye wahita ubona ko space mo imbere irakomeza kugenda yiyongera, urabona ko bifata uwundi mwanya, uwundi twawugize empty ni cyangwa 26, urabona ko za content zirakomeza kugenda zifate umwanya usigaye, uwundi nawuhariye kuba ari empty. So that is the main difference padding ikora mo imbere y'iyo container, margin igakora inyuma ya statement cyangwa iyo container. That is the main difference. Wajya ubona ko ahantu agenda avuga ati margin nkashyiraho minus, ni ukuvuga ati ndifuza yuko iyo margin, iyo space yari ihari yingabanyirize usigamo agaspace gato. Ishyizeho minus ni ukuyigabanya, ishyizemo iri positive mba ndimo kuyongera. So that is the main difference between margin and padding. So I think we can proceed. Twari tugeze kuri tuno tu badge twerekana the benefits. So I think for each button ntago ari ngombwa ngo nze kuri zino buto za benefit title ngo hose ngene nshyiraho class. Nshobora kuvuga ati for this class what to expect. Nshobora kuvuga ati buri buto yo muri iyi class uze kuza kubunkorera kuri buno buryo. So hano nshobora gushyiramo class nkayita benefit content, content like this one. Twabonye ko iyo ushyizemo hano class ukahita noneho ushyiraho element ushaka, so biragufasha guhita utangira kuzicontrol. Mvuze ati kuri buri buto uko ati ngiye ku accessinga zino buto. So let's start with the background color. The background color turi gukoresha kuri ano ma badge, this is the one. The background color turakoresha iyo muri Figma n'ubundi nk'ibisanzwe, nta kintu na kimwe tugomba kuzajya twihimbira. So which means hano ndashyiraho hashtag then nshyiraho the background color. Urabona ko hano tuhise tugira background color. So ikindi, utu tubuto turashaka kuba rounded, igomba kuba the border radius, dukoresha border radius. Hano nshobora kuvuga ati kora 50%, aba ari nini, 50% is too big. Nakoresha ama pixels aroroshya 20 pixels. Ama badge ndakeka ni asa nka gutya, aroundinze muri buno buryo. And I can say, urabona ko ari ikintu kimeze nk'ari border kiriho inyuma. Ndifuza yuko iki kintu kitari buze kugira gute kugaragara. So which means nakavuze ati ngo border, then border nkavuga ko nta kintu na kimwe kigomba kuba gihari kuri border, which means turasigarana akantu kameze gutya. And I really want this to be here. Zose zikaba ziri ku murongo umwe, which means nahita mvuga ati font size. Font size ya text ndakeka the font size ibaye 12 pixels. I think I got 12 pixels 6. Nshaka yuko turaba dutoya ku rwego rungana gute, gutya ntabwo ari so about 8. I think yuko kabaye kangana nka gutya byaba bikwiriyemo. The font size ibaye ingana kuriya byaba ntacyo bitwaye. So icyaba kiburamo ni ugushyiramo space inside. Navuga ati padding, oya padding auto ntabwo ariyo nshaka. Padding ya 1 pixels. 1 pixels, 2 pixels, 1 pixels ntabwo bigaragara. Ariko nkishyizemo nka 2 pixels for the padding, and hano nayongera nkagira 10. So I think yuko gutya byagaragara. Noneho ndifuza yuko zino button zizamukayo hejuru gatoya, so which means ndahita mvuga ati kuri iyi class yonyine kako biri muri kano ka div. So I think yuko naza nkagashyira nka hano. So I think ikintu cya mbere ndahita mvuga ati display zigomba kuba ziri ku murongo umwe, display flex. So items zigomba kuba ziri center, islands items zigomba kuba ziri center nk'ibisanzwe. So justify content same igomba kuba biri center n'ubundi. So I think noneho turashaka kujya dusigamo aga spacing. Ni ukuvuga ati turashyiramo gap bibe bitandukanye, nibura at least tube dufitemo 3 pixels. Well, justify center ntabwo iyi ngiyi ntabwo ari narabisoje. So I think bizamutseho gatoya for 6 pixels. I think gutya ntacyo byaba bitwaye. Yego kabaye kazamukaho 8. Reka ndebere kuri Figma ntabwo bifasheho neza. Nuko byaba bimeze. Turebe kuri screen nini. Yeah, perfect. I think ikibura ni ukongera this size ya card igomba kuba ari nini. Postcard maximum width, the height ni 400, let's say 150. This one. Okay. So ikintu kindi twaza kugira zira text ndifuza yuko ikintu cyasa nk'ikizamuka. Reka ndebe. Ndifuza yuko ino class, let's say this one. Kuri iyi ngiyi twavuga ko ni card content twari twayikoreye cyangwa let's say card content. Ndifuza yuko gasa nk'akegera hejuru gatoya kugira ngo ino buto, iyi buto ize kuza kubona uko ijyamo. So which means ndayizana hano hejuru ya card header, and I can say this one. Then I can say margin top. Margin top nayigabanyaho 6 pixels. So I can say 16, 12. 12 ndabona isa nkaho irimo kugenda yegera hejuru. 24, 20 kagaragara neza. I think yuko by 18. For me ndabona 18 ntacyo yaba intwaye. Nagabanya ku zindi size. I think for description dukoresheje 12 twakoresha 16. Ya 16 yaba ari sawa, ahubwo nanga tugakoreshaho 16 kugira ngo buto ize kuza kuba yisanzuye. So I think ikiba gisigaye ni kuri buto yacu tugomba kuyisitayiringa. So this is for what you expect, and for button I can say this is class for the card button. So for card button ndayizana hano. Card button ikintu cya mbere ni color ya button iri different. So I think this is the one. Hano uri gutwara nta perimi ufite? Uri gutwara nta perimi ufite? Ngize ngo. So I think ahangaha ni background color. So border radius, so ibaye 12 pixels. 12 pixels ni nyinshi kuri buto. I think yajya nka 6 kuri la buto. Then kuri buto igomba kuba ifite space hejuru ingana na 12 pixels like this one. Then I can say the spacing hariya nta kintu yaba intwaye. Sawa icyo njye nashyiraho kindi ni ukumakinga sure yuko hano ndashyiraho margin bottom nayo ifite around 6 pixels. So ndakeka kadi yacu imeze nka gutya nimba nibeshye. So namwe mwambwira icyo nakongera ni ukugira ngo zino color z'umukara ziveho. Twabonye ko dukuraho border dukoresheje border ifite none, which means there is no border unless you need that one. So I think this is our first card. This is our first card. Guys, I think ifite kadi ya mbere n'izindi zigenda zizaho bikoroha. So which means nimba ari umuntu ufite ikibazo yambaza before you can proceed with the rest of 3 cards. Ho ntago turi buvunike, icyo turi bukore ni ukuza tugakoresha iriya kadi ya mbere tukagenda twa-updatinga the image, tuka-updatinga some text. So urumva yuko ho nta kindi kintu kidasanzwe, class ziraba ari zimwe, format ari imwe, igisigaye ari ukuzisitayiringa zikaba zirimo hagati neza. So I think our card will look like this one unless we need to put some modification inside. Like I can say the image, if you look for the image, ushobora kuvuga ati wenda ntabwo ari ndende cyangwa ni ntoya. So it's better yuko nakumva your insights. Nimba muri good twakomeza, if not you can ask any question you want before we proceed. So styling ushobora kuzikora muri HTML nk'uko twabonye ejo. Tugira styling mu buryo butandukanye. Hano mwabonye ko uje hano hejuru munsi ya header ukaza muri buno buryo bwa styling ifunguye style element, ushobora kugenda ushyiramo ama styling nk'ibisanzwe. So ubu ni uburyo twita internal styling. Ubu ubundi buryo ukora mu yindi file n'iyi ngiyi ukaza kuyimpotinga hano, ubu tubwita external styling. Twari twabonye uburyo bwa inline styling, aho nimba uje nko kuri element nk'iyi ngiyi ushobora kuza ugahita ushyiraho style nk'ibisanzwe, ukaba wavuga ati color, ugahita uspecifying aho ati ni white. Iyo ubigenje nka gutya, urahita ubona ko iyo uje nka hano, hano urabona ko buto color yayo yahise ihinduka white. Iyo ushyizeho black nka gutya, black buto igomba kugira style ya black. Tuvuge urugero wenda nshyizemo padding, padding nshyizeho 2 pixels. Urabona ko muri buto ya padding iri kwitizamo, nishyiramo 8, ikibuto cyanjye kirakomeza kibe kinini. Nifuzaga gushyiraho 8 gusa ariko ndabona kibaye kinini cyane. So urabona buto yanjye ukuntu igenda ihinduka bitewe ngewe nuko nifuza ko iza kugaragara, nkoresheje buno buryo bwa inline styling. So wenda aka ngaka ndaza kukarekeraho, ndakeka 8 ni munini, so nakoresha 4 cyangwa 6. Engineer turi kumwe. So I think yuko tudatinze yaba ari ibi, unless someone has the issue. So ngiye ku cyanjye wenda icyo navuga ni description, wenda zisa nkaho atari nini. Description tuba tugize nka 0.7 rem, byaba birushaho gusa neza, bikaba bimeze nka gutya at least. Sinzi namumaza kumbwira what do you think. So ikindi ni margin yo kuri iyi, turi tuno tu button. So turiya tu button ya what to expect, ushobora kuba wenda ariyo umuntu yarebaho. Okay, twayirekera gutya. I think gutya byaba bisa neza. Wenda you what to expect, reka ndebe nongere kariya kantu ka hano dufite benefit title. I think yuko hano twagira class, class yindi reka tuvuge ati this is the benefit, the cost benefit. It's better yuko twajya dukoresha amazina afite meaning, the cost benefit, and can here come for the title, and this is the one. Then yeah, display igomba kuba ari block nk'isanzwe, block. Ariko ntabwo ari ngombwa, igihe cyo nifuzaga ni margin top, iraza kuva hano izeho hano, iraba ari 20. Twari tubonye ko 16 ntabwo ari sawa, twakoresha 20. So gase nk'akamanukaho gatoya, cyangwa dukoresha 24. It depends. Gutya nibwo nkeka ngiye kuri side yanjye ko byaba bijya gusa nka ya card dufite, ariyo y'iyi ngiyi. So this is our card, at least kuriya bimeze, byaba birushaho kugira ishusho. So ikindi ni hano ndabona nabyegeranye cyane, iyi mathematics iri hejuru y'ifoto. Header, card content, what do you think? Card content, ndifuza kureba kuri, this is card content. For card content, margin top twayigabanije agera 12. Nagize 12, I think yuko nta kintu byakangiza. Description nayo tukayigira 12. So I think twaba dufite card imeze gutya, kubera ko card kacu kamaje kuba karekare, noneho tukarekeye gutya ndakeka ntacyo byatwaye. So I think we can proceed with the rest of 2 cards, which means card ya mbere nk'ibisanzwe, this is for cards. Dufite card ya mbere, dufite card ya kabiri. So ndafata iyi card ya kabiri, then inkopi iyi ngiyi nze nyisimbuze kuri iyi. kuri kadi ya kabiri, nako tuhise tugira iyindi kadi mo hasi, so ariko ntabwo iri kugaragara, ndaza no gufata n'iyi ngiyi nyishyire hano, so which means tugize kadi eshatu, ariko ntabwo zose ziri kugaragara, we need to style all of them kugira ngo zize kugaragaramo zose, which means hano kuri main kuri iyi main div turaza gukora indi class tuyite cards, reka tuvuge ko ari course dash cards, ni amakadi y'iyi course. So ikintu cya mbere course card iraza kuba iri hano, course card ko yaba ifite izina kimwe nk'iri ngiri, ntabwo nshaka ko biza kugira amazina ajya gusa, dufite course card tukagira na course cards, so icyo navuga ahubwo twayita course cards elements. So I think nyigize ndende kugira ngo bize kutworohera, utazajya ukareba ukagira ngo ni kamwe kandi zitandukanye, so ariko nubwo wakoresha iriya nko course cards byakunda, icyo njye nifuzaga nuko tugira ibintu biri differentiated. So for display tugomba kuzidisplayinga horizontally, that is the first thing. So this is the one, these are our cards, and we can proceed with the rest too. So ikindi items zigomba kuba ziri center, then we have to justify them in the center. So right, ariko hano dukoresheho justify tugashyiramo space between, byarushaho kurusha kugira agashusho gutya ntabwo byabisa neza, reka dukoreshe justify center nta kintu intwaye, ahubwo duhise gushyira gap ivuga ati turaza gushyiraho 12 pixels, urabona ko agaspace kajemo gatoya, which looks same like this one, ariko 24 yarushaho gusa neza. So 24, this is the one. So our card zacu ni izi, which I think zijya gusa neza nizo dufite hano, unless hari ibitaruzura, right? Ariko ndibaza yuko amakadi yacu ajya kumera nka gutya. So icyaba kibura ni ukuvuga ati card tuyongerere size, the maximum size ya card igomba kuba ifite ngo kangahe. So I don't think icyo ngicyo ngo cyari ikibazo, ariko maximum width tuwavuga ati ahangaha ni 300. Ariko kubera ko gutya karimo ntabwo ari ikibazo, urabona ko size iriyongereye. So these are our cards. I think yuko icyaba gisigaye ni ugucustomiza iriya kadi ya kabiri na kadi ya gatatu, and that way we can move forward. So I think the second card iraza kuba ifite social studies, right? Okay, social studies, which means ndahita nza hano ku ma cards, and I can say for the second card igomba kuba ifite social studies, the content dufite ni iyi, so I can proceed with that one. So this third one ni ugushyiramo ama benefits. So ikindi cya mbere dufite hano history, amateka, dufite land, aribyo bijyanye n'ubutaka, benshi twavuga ko ari geography, dufite politics, and lastly dufite human rights. So I think that's what we need just for now. And ikibura ni ukuvuga ati social studies department, ndashaka kureba ifoto ya social studies. So for social studies ifoto twakoresheje sinzi niba biratworohera kuyibona, ariko I think yuko ni iyi ngiyi. This is the one. Save image as, can say we have now course 2. I think now we are good to go. And here for the image I can put now course 2, like this one. So the last one, this is the last one. It seems so strategic. Basically, urabona ko hano nko kuri iyi text yo irimo ibice. So ahangaha we have to be serious ko haraza kuzamo akantu kagoranye. So I think this is the one, and I can here put a span element kubera ko wabonye ko kariya karihariye. Elementary science and technology igomba kuba iri mu gaspan element nk'aka, so which means have to be careful kuri kantu nka kariya. So I think the text n'ubundi turaza gukoresha iyi ngiyi, and let's save. And what we expect, you have to think about handcraft. Angano handi twarebaga ibikoresho bikoresha mu bwubatsi, mu buhinzi, ibintu nk'ibyo ngibyo. So nabyo twaza kubyongeraho nk'uko bigenwe. So here this is a plant, and you have Eclipse. Okay, we can put that one here. So I think guys, this is what we have. This is what we have. And ikintu cya mbere tugiye gukora, urabona hano amakadi ntago angana, tugomba kujyana minimum na maximum width. So it's better yuko twahita tuhereza the width iri consistent. So which means here you can say the maximum can put this is the width instead of maximum width or height. So like this one. So which means zose zigomba kuba zifite the same size. Ikindi ndakeka ni ukugabanya this one. So think you got the height here. Height yaba ari nini cyane. So which means twashyiraho 400. Yego 400. Ahubwo zino text nizo zirimo gutuma biba binini. Nko kuri iyi ngiyi ya science turazana kuri description subiza 0.5 nk'ibisanzwe. So I think then ikindi kintu kiri kubitera ni kano gaspan element twashyizemo hano. So I think tungo tutakubamo. So I think this span element twahereza class nk'ibisanzwe nayo. Twavuga card subheader like this one. Card subheader. Hano dufite card header and subheader. Card subheader twavuga ati subheader igomba kuba ifite font size the font size igomba kuba ari ntoya, ubwo tubayihereza size ingana na 0.7 rem. Yeah, I think yuko kaza kameze gutya. Yego, kabaye kaje kangana gutya ntacyo bitwaye. So guys, I think twaba dukoze kuri ibi ngibi. Urabona, this is our cards, and ikindi wenda umuntu yavugaho ni ikijyanye na what to expect. Urabona biri hasi hamwe na view details. So I think if I can see it clearly, have the image, you have a subheader, the description, yagakwiye kubiyongera kugira ngo birusheho kurushaho kumanuka gatoya. I think that is the perfect way to do that. And you can say you can cross it up to this progress, and your assignment ku muntu ari gukora kuri iyi section wenda yazareba uburyo ki iyi card ayigira neza ikamera neza nk'uko hano tuyifite imeze. So urabona ntabwo birasa neza, so hano urabona ko zino ziracyari hasi, which means tugomba gukora ku buryo nazo zigomba kuzajya zihora ziri hasi. So guys, I think we are running out of time. Anyone who have a comment, problem, please unmute yourself. You are free before we proceed. If there is no question, you can end the call right now, then tukazakomereza ejo. Guys, anyone with the comments? Okay. And I think it is the same for all of you guys. And I really want to thank you all for today. This video ndaza kwibasharinga. Make sure you call. We are on the same page. And make sure you understand everything twagiye tugendera hano. Nagerageje kugenda nihuta kubera ko twari twabinyuzemo ejo, ariko biri clear ku muntu wari uhari ejo ntabwo byamugora. And we still have time, tuzagenda tubisubiramo. Nanabashimira wiragiye niwe wambwiye yuko turi kwihuta, byaba byiza dusubiye inyuma muri basic. So iki cyumweru turaza kugenda tubinyuramo, and mukeneye namwe ariko kwihuta kugira ngo tudatinda cyane mu bintu biri basics, mukeneye n'ibiri advanced. So I hope yuko nibyo ngibyo nabwira, and I wish you all ibitotsi byiza, murare neza, and igisubiye nuko naza kuza kubahereza video mukaza kuza gukomerezaho. So guys, hope yuko muraza kugira ibitotsi byiza, and I will see you all in the next session. Murakoze.